Hello? Hello? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Just sit down anywhere. They don't have waiters in here.
Oh, okay. Is it okay if I sit here?
Oh, sure. But you'll need to go to the counter if you want anything.
Actually, I'm not really here to eat or anything. I'm supposed to be meeting someone.
Well, wait here long enough. Most of London will come in.
Sorry?
Just joking.
Excuse me, is anybody sitting here?
I can't see anyone.
Sorry?
Just joking. Go ahead, sit down.
Thanks.
Oh, you might be waiting a while if you sit here.
Sorry?
There are no waiters here.
Oh.
People usually just go up to the counter and order whatever they want.
Oh, well, I'm just supposed to be meeting someone here, actually.
Oh, not him by any chance.
Who?
This guy here.
Hello?
Oh, no.
No, I am waiting to meet someone, but not you. Where are you from, anyway?
Well, I live in London now, but I'm originally from Shanghai.
Thought so. I'm from Hong Kong.
Sorry to interrupt, but who are you both waiting for?
I'm waiting for my friend, Harry.
And I'm waiting for my friend Magda.
How interesting.
Why is that interesting?
Because Harry and Magda are both friends of mine as well. And right now I'm waiting for both of them too. And here they are. Hello. Let's make this easier. I'm Olivia.
I'm Johnny. I'm a friend of...
Mine. He's a friend of mine. I'm Harry.
Okay, I'm Sarah, and I'm a friend of...
Mine. I'm Magda. Nice to meet you.
Oh, this is complicated, isn't it? Shall I get some tea? I think we'll need a big pot. This might take some time. So, how do we all know each other?